Hello everyone, I'm all Thai in the United States. Good afternoon. It is a nice day, sunny, but the wind a little cool, not really cold. I took my lunch, eat at the deck. I have sticky rice and buffalo wild wings. Also my husband. You're gonna see my husband at the end of the video. I also take Sparky walk on the deck too to get the sun and keep an eye on him, not let him walk off deck. The neighbor told my husband the other day that she will cut the big pine tree in front of the house because it is too big now. I feel sad, but cannot do anything because it is their tree. The tree is in their property. Many years ago, my husband hired a company to cut down the tree around the house too. I was very upset. He convinced me about a year until he decided because that year was a big storm, break down many trees in the nearby locations. I saw on the news, very bad and many people injured. My husband decided to cut the tall trees down. He said it is very dangerous. Did you see on the news? I would like to fly the drone few days ago, but I can't because very windy. Then today I flew a little short while just in front of the house to see the garden and the flowers. Since I haven't controlled the drone for a long while, I don't remember well how to control it. And also the DJI Fly app collapsed. I don't remember the message that popped up when I tried to connect the app with the drone. Took about 5 minutes to find the new app, and then I can connected my drone with the app. My drone is old now. Didn't have money to upgrade yet, and my drone still new. I could say that because I use it not often enough. Then using it not change yet, not upgrade yet. It is very good day, right? Look in my video, sunny. Today I just came back from work. It is Friday. I sat in the backyard for a while, relax from tired. When get better, I moved myself to the front of the house after my husband came home and decided to fly the drone. The green bush at the corner doesn't bloom the flower yet. The flower is white. I don't remember the name. When cut this pine tree down, I think this area gonna be wide open and no more shade anymore. I like the shade of the tree. Cool. This is the backyard. We need to trim the lower branches at the pine trees because neighbor complain. And this is the tree my husband would like to cut a long while, but I asked him, please keep it for a while. We may cut it someday when it's grow bigger. And this is a pine tree still stand out. My husband purchased a new garden hose. I remember I saw this on TV commercial. I thought at first seeing it looks like snake. It is soft, flexible material like fabric. I don't know what inside. It is soft, and this is the set of the head hose, the shower. This is the old one. He said the hose is broken already. Very nice, green. And this the area he planted the grass seeds. I asked him to plant the sunflower for me. I got sunflower seed from Thai lady in other state last year, and I put the seed here, but never see anything grow. My husband replied me, let's see if I can grow the grass first, then I will plant sunflower for you. And this is lilacs. The flowers change to brown, and dogwood. Flowers still full trees, but in bad shape. When the weather hotter, the flower getting dry and fall. Here my husband. Let's see how he changed the garden hose. It is very easy. Just screw in, put in, turning the thread, and doesn't need to use the tip. I think some houses may use it. I talked with the plumber once when we have a leaking pipe in the basement, and he told me technology helped easier, but sometimes need to add in the tape that I saw my dad in Thailand fixed the water pipe, but here no, just put and turning in, not screw in. I try to think what the word turning, very easy. And this is the front area. My husband try to grow the grass too. take time, or in front of the lawn. We grew, not we, just him. He grow grass by himself, take a while. In front of the house used to have the problem with the pipe leak. The worker dig the ground and fix the pipe and leave the dirt. This is the old one. I think he tried to take it out if can reuse it, but broken already. And then put the new one in, turning water from the tap still leaking, but the new hose is fine. Looks like snake. When water get in the hose, it's expanded. I think by myself, if we drop the hose on the ground, every time when I walk nearby, I may forget it is the hose. I might frighten because I thought it was snake. We didn't put on the ground. We hang on the holder. And then I know it is a hose, not a snake. The company that they were hiring is the same company. We hire crane working, and the pine tree is gone now. It is very open wide. Can see sky clearly, but I like the trees stand and block the bright weather. The tree is gone. It is very wide open. The neighbor cut the bush at the back a little bit. In our area, we did a while ago because the neighbor complained once, and I thought about trimming the bushes for a long while, but I didn't do it yet because of the mosquito. And then we decided to do. I think the company crew will come back to grind the stump over there, as same as our house, and the mulch gonna be piled up. Here it is. The company sent a guy to grind the stump already. The mulch piled up. Let's walk to the bush at the back a little bit. The neighbor already clear some of the bushes in there. I don't know if they're gonna do more. In our part, wide open. I just came back from work. The gray sky look like more rain is coming. And this is my husband's meal from Buffalo Wild Wings as well. We stay at the deck because we take Bucky out and put string on him to prevent him step down the deck. And my husband decided to mow the lawn. He asked me, should I mow the lawn today or tomorrow? And should I trim the branches? He would like me to help with decision. And when I asked him about trimming the branches, he said no. And then I just said, okay, just mow the lawn. He said, it's too hot. And finally he decided, okay, mow the lawn today and trim the branches tomorrow. It don't make like rain for Bucky. Soft rain. Bucky. Ui.